In this video, we are diving into a topic: stop these shutdown mistakes that mechanics are fed up. Do you expect your turbo to last forever without following a basic maintenance routine before shutdown becomes critical? Are you killing the engine without monitoring exhaust gas temps and letting the turbo bake itself from the inside? Are you shutting down right after a hard drive without a minute of idle time and letting oil burn inside your turbo? Stick around because by the end of this video, we will disclose common turbo diesel shutdown mistakes and how to keep your engine running smoothly for years. Let's get started. Mistake number 7. Ignoring engine temperature. One of the most critical mistakes turbo diesel drivers make is shutting down their engines without allowing them to cool properly. High temperatures can have devastating effects on turbo components, leading to premature wear and potential failure. When you turn off a hot engine abruptly, the turbocharger, which operates at extremely high temperatures, can experience thermal shock. This sudden change can warp or crack the turbine housing and damage the bearings, ultimately resulting in costly repairs or even a complete turbo replacement. To prevent this, it's essential to allow your engine to idle for a few minutes before shutting it down. This practice gives the turbocharger time to cool down gradually, reducing the risk of damage. Idling allows the oil to continue circulating through the turbo, helping to dissipate heat and lubricate critical components. Additionally, monitoring your engine temperature gauges is vital. Keeping an eye on these gauges can help you understand when your engine is running hot and when it's time to take a moment to let it cool down. If you notice that your engine temperature is consistently high, it may be a sign of underlying issues that need to be addressed. By being proactive and mindful of engine temperatures, you can significantly extend the life of your turbo diesel engine and avoid unnecessary repairs. Remember, a little patience can go a long way in preserving your vehicle's performance. Mistake number 6. Neglecting oil quality. Another significant mistake that turbo diesel drivers often make is neglecting the quality of their engine oil. Poor oil quality can seriously affect engine performance, especially during shutdown. Contaminated oil leads to sludge build-up, which clogs passages, reduces lubrication, and increases friction. Over time, this can cause overheating, loss of efficiency, and even engine failure. To prevent these issues, it is crucial to commit to regular oil changes and to use high-quality diesel engine oil. High-quality oils are specifically formulated to withstand the demands of turbo diesel engines, providing better protection against wear and tear. They also contain additives that help keep the oil clean and free from contaminants, ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, encourage yourself to check your oil levels and quality frequently. Regularly inspecting your oil can help you catch any potential problems early on. Look for signs of discoloration or a gritty texture, which can indicate that the oil is due for a change. By staying on top of your oil quality, you can ensure that your turbo diesel engine runs smoothly and efficiently, even during shutdown. Remember, maintaining good oil quality is essential for the longevity and performance of your engine, so make it a priority in your routine maintenance. Mistake number 5. Skipping fuel filter maintenance. One of the most overlooked aspects of turbo diesel engine care is the maintenance of fuel filters. Neglecting this crucial component can lead to significant engine shutdown issues. Clogged fuel filters can cause fuel starvation, which means that your engine is not receiving the adequate fuel supply it needs to operate efficiently. This can result in poor performance, stalling, and ultimately engine failure if not addressed promptly. To prevent these problems, it is essential to conduct regular inspections and replace fuel filters as needed. Depending on your driving habits and the quality of fuel you use, fuel filters can become clogged more quickly than you might expect. A good rule of thumb is to check your fuel filters every few thousand miles and replace them according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, be aware of the signs of fuel filter issues. If you notice a decrease in engine performance, difficulty starting, or unusual engine noises. These could be indicators that your fuel filter is clogged and needs attention. Other warning signs include a drop in fuel efficiency or the presence of black smoke from the exhaust. By staying vigilant and maintaining your fuel filters, you can ensure a steady flow of fuel to your turbo diesel engine, preventing shutdown issues and keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Prioritizing fuel filter maintenance is a simple yet effective way to enhance your engine's reliability and longevity. Mistake number 4. Overlooking battery health. One of the critical mistakes turbo diesel drivers often make is overlooking the health of the vehicle's battery. A healthy battery plays a vital role in engine performance, providing the necessary power to start the engine and support various electrical systems. When a battery begins to fail, it can lead to unexpected shutdowns, leaving you stranded and potentially causing damage to other engine components. To prevent battery-related issues, it is essential to conduct routine battery checks. Regularly inspect your battery for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or any physical damage. Cleaning the battery terminals is also crucial, as corrosion can impede the flow of electricity and affect overall performance. A simple cleaning with a mixture of baking soda and water can help maintain optimal connectivity. Additionally, it's smart to replace aging batteries before they fail. Most last around 3 to 5 years, and their performance declines over time. If yours is nearing the end, consider replacing it early to avoid sudden shutdowns. By prioritizing battery health, you can ensure that your turbo diesel engine starts reliably and operates smoothly. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in preventing inconvenient breakdowns and ensuring your vehicle remains in top condition. Taking these steps will help you avoid the frustration of battery issues and keep your engine running strong. Number 3. Failing to check exhaust systems. One of the most critical yet often neglected aspects of turbo diesel engine maintenance is the exhaust system. A well-maintained exhaust system is essential for optimal engine performance and efficiency. When exhaust blockages occur, they can lead to significant issues, including engine shutdown. Blockages can cause back pressure, which restricts the flow of exhaust gases and can ultimately result in reduced power, overheating, and even catastrophic engine failure. To prevent these problems, it is crucial to conduct regular inspections of your exhaust components. Look for signs of rust, corrosion, or physical damage to the exhaust pipes, muffler, and catalytic converter. Additionally, pay attention to any unusual noises or changes in engine performance, as these can indicate potential exhaust issues. If you notice any blockages or damage, it is essential to address them promptly. Cleaning or replacing parts as needed can help maintain the integrity of your exhaust system. For instance, a clogged diesel particulate filter (DPF) can significantly impact engine performance and should be cleaned or replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendations. By prioritizing the health of your exhaust system, you can ensure that your turbo diesel engine operates efficiently and reliably. Regular maintenance not only helps prevent unexpected shutdowns, but also contributes to better fuel economy and reduced emissions. Taking the time to check your exhaust system can save you from costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Number 2. Ignoring warning lights. One of the most critical mistakes turbo diesel drivers can make is ignoring dashboard warning lights. These lights serve as vital indicators of your vehicle's health, alerting you to potential issues that could lead to serious problems if left unaddressed. Different warning lights indicate various concerns such as low oil pressure, overheating, or issues with the battery or exhaust system. Understanding what each light means is essential for maintaining your engine's performance and longevity. When a warning light appears on your dashboard, it is crucial to take immediate action. Ignoring these alerts can lead to further damage and costly repairs down the line. For instance, a low oil pressure warning could indicate insufficient lubrication, which can cause severe engine wear or failure if not addressed promptly. Similarly, an overheating warning light should never be taken lightly, as it can lead to catastrophic engine damage. If a warning light persists after taking initial corrective actions, it is advisable to consult a mechanic. Persistent issues may indicate underlying problems that require professional diagnosis and repair. A qualified technician can provide insights into the specific issue and recommend the necessary steps to resolve it. By responding promptly to dashboard warning lights, you can prevent minor issues from escalating into major problems. Staying vigilant and proactive about your vehicle's health will not only enhance your driving experience, but also ensure the reliability and longevity of your turbo diesel engine. Mistake number 1. Neglecting regular maintenance. One of the most dangerous mistakes turbo diesel drivers can make is neglecting regular maintenance checks. Just like any high-performance engine, turbo diesels require consistent care to operate efficiently and reliably. Skipping routine maintenance can lead to a host of problems, including decreased performance, increased emissions, and even catastrophic engine failure. Key components of regular maintenance include tiny oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid checks. Oil changes are particularly crucial, as fresh oil lubricates engine parts and helps prevent wear and tear. Additionally, replacing air and fuel filters ensures that your engine receives clean air and fuel, which is vital for optimal performance. Regularly checking coolant and transmission fluid levels can also help prevent overheating and ensure smooth operation. To keep your turbo diesel in top shape, consider following a maintenance schedule. A good rule of thumb is to change the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, replace filters every 15,000 miles, and check fluids at least once a month. Moreover, keeping a maintenance log can be incredibly beneficial. Documenting each service, including dates and mileage, allows you to track your vehicle's health over time and anticipate future needs. This proactive approach not only helps you stay organized, but also empowers you to catch potential issues before they escalate. Remember, investing time in regular maintenance today can save you from costly repairs and downtime tomorrow. After introducing these shutdown mistakes that mechanics are fed up with, which one caught your attention? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.